came out of the. I was so bad it came out of the gutter.
It hit a pin that was in the gutter.
Too strong. It's those performance-enhancing drugs I'm taking.
Yeah. He's buying them from me. He's under my.
You have to take a drug test afterwards.
That's how you do it, Marie.
You're going to have your blood drawn afterwards.
Draw it, baby. Draw it, baby. That's the fun kind of spare.
Good deal.
Thank you. Commissioner,
That's
thank
the
you.
hard way.
Thanks for pulling for me there.
I'll tell you.
I felt it.
I'm not fraternizing.
He's not fraternizing at all. No, not at all. Say hi over here, Jack.
What?
Say hi over here to your left. Just say hi.
Hi.
Hey there, Wes.